video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Mehsana City with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. Hotel Shivale. This is one of the 3-star fancy hotels in Mehsana. The hotel has an in-house restaurant, a garden, and it provides free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. Each and every room here comes with a desk, a TV, as well as a private bathroom. You have options of selected rooms which have a separate seating area as well. The rooms here are extremely spacious and comfortable. They are priced at about 3,000 to 6,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the links in our description below. The Capital Hotel TGT is next up on our list. This is one of the 3-star budgeted accommodation in Mehsana. It is conveniently located in the center of the city, which makes it accessible to all the public transport and the city centers. The hotel also has an option of family suites. They provide with comfortable furnished bedrooms. The rooms here are priced at about 1,300, which goes up to 2,000 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. The Hotel Malgudi Food Inn is next up on our list. This is one of the budgeted hotels located in the water park area of Mehsana. It is ideal for both business as well as someone who's coming here as a tourist. The hotel provides easy access to all the major points and fast connectivity. The staff here is extremely helpful and cooperative, and customer satisfaction is their top priority. Their in-house restaurant is also one of the most top restaurants in the whole of Mehsana. The hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from 1,500, which goes up to 1,700 depending upon the category of room that you select. The Hotel Sahara Bridge is next up on our list. This 3-star hotel is 10 minutes away from the Mehsana railway station. This hotel has an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. It also has a private dining area. The hotel also has a banquet area where you can host any kind of celebration or functions. They have different categories of rooms available. They also have a suite available. They all are priced at about 1,600, which goes up to 4,900 depending upon the category of the room that you select. The Hotel Asa Palau is next up on our list. This hotel is 20 minutes away from the Mehsana railway station. It provides with 24-hour front desk facilities and also express check-in and check-out facilities. The hotel also offers laundry and security service within the premises. They also have an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. The rooms are priced at about 800 rupees, and most of the rooms here are non-AC rooms. If you're enjoying this video, please drop us a like button, and we'd also love to hear your experiences in our comment section below. Also, do subscribe back to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities. Hotel The New Holiday Inn is next up on our list. This is a 3-star budgeted hotel in Mehsana. This hotel is located very close to the highway, so it can also get very noisy during the day. The hotel is also very popular amongst tourists, and it provides 24-hour front desk facilities. Though the hotel does not have a kitchen, but they have a lot of restaurants in the area itself. The AC rooms here are priced at about 1,000 rupees, which goes up to 2,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. The Hotel Apex Mehsana is next up on our list. This is a 2-star standard accommodation for families as well as bachelors. It is very centrally located, which makes it accessible to all the city center points. It is a very good option for people traveling here as a tourist or on business. The hotel ensures a very comfortable stay. The hotel also provides options of AC and non-AC rooms. The rooms here are priced at about 800 rupees, which goes up to 1,600 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached the links in our description below. The Hotel Global Point is next up on our list. This is one of the finest hotels to stay in Mehsana. It provides you with the best services and the best amenities in the whole of Mehsana. This hotel has an in-house cafe, a restaurant, a kids play area, an indoor gaming section, a gym. They also have a business center and a conference room where you can host your meetings. This hotel is also a reasonable choice for travelers looking out for a budgeted accommodation. The rooms here are priced at about 1,600 rupees, which goes up to 2,900 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. The Hotel Concord is next up on our list. This hotel has a private lounge as well as a garden. The hotel also provides 24-hour front desk facilities. It has an in-house restaurant providing 24-hour room service. The restaurant here offers a variety of delicious dishes, and it also has various beverages. They also have an option of delivery of food and drinks right into your rooms. The rooms here are extremely spacious and very comfortable for a family. The rooms here are priced at about 1,000 to 1,700 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. To make it easier for you, we've attached a link in our description below. The Hotel Fun City is next up on our list. This hotel has a private terrace, a restaurant, and provides 24-hour front desk facilities. You can enjoy the beautiful city views from the terrace as well as your private balcony. They also have airport shuttle services available at an additional cost. It also provides you with a tour desk at the hotel where you can plan your day trips. You can also enjoy the continental breakfast early morning at the hotel. The rooms here are priced at about 1,500, which goes up to 1,800 rupees depending upon the room category that you select. Do not forget to check out the links in our description below for your direct hotel booking. We also wish you a safe and a pleasant journey. Bye bye.